Hi all, welcome to Die.3D Tech YouTube channel. In this today's video, we'll see how to fix this action camera stop recording randomly. So I have this problem. So what exactly will happen, I'll show you practically. So yeah, okay. So this is a very common issue. So I'm showing on my Econ camera, but this is very common in most of the camera. So solution will be common for almost all cameras. So this is my problem. Whenever I try to record this, what will happen, it will stop anywhere from 0 to 1 minute. It will stop at any point of time. So let's see, I will click on this recording. Yeah, it start recording now. So it can stop at any time. Okay, so every time it will stop at a random time. So that is the main issue. So that action camera will stop at any time, random. So there is no fixed time. So it can stop anywhere between 0 seconds to 1 minute, maybe more. Let's see this time where it will stop exactly. Yeah, it's going for 35 seconds, 37, 8, 41. See, now you can see now it is stopped at 41. So like that, every time it will stop at a random time. After that, your camera gets struck after some time, then it will respond. So again, if I try the same thing, like see, every time it will pick a random time. So that is the issue. So this issue will come in almost all cameras, same. So let's see the solution for this. See, now it is stopped at 9 seconds. You can see here, right? And when it is freezing, you can't use any of these buttons. So almost all buttons will be stopped. I mean, it won't work. Okay, it will completely struck the camera and you can't use any of these buttons. Once it is back, see, now it is stopped now. See, if I click any button here or front or back, it won't respond. So that is the problem. Okay, so to fix this problem, I have 3 methods. So please watch this video till end. Okay, so any one of the method will solve your problem. Okay, so and if anybody is coming first time to our channel, please like this video and please subscribe to our channel so that you can see future troubleshooting videos. Okay, so don't forget to like and subscribe this, and if it is useful for you, and please share it with your friends. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe. So the first solution, so what you need to do when you have this kind of problem, so first you just format this memory card. Okay, you can format with PC or you can format here itself. Okay, so now I'm going to format in this. So if you are formatting in PC, so what you need to do, you need to set the FAT32. Okay, not NTFS. Please use FAT32 when you are formatting. Okay, so here I'm formatting. Yeah, okay, so now it is formatted. Now let's try. I'll switch on this. First try this step, format the memory card and try to record. Okay, yeah, now I'm trying to record. Yeah, let's see whether it will solve the problem or not. Yeah, it's recording. That's great. So far so good. And 14, 15 seconds, 16 seconds. Yeah, now it is stopped. See, when it is freezing, see, you can't use any of this button. You need to wait till it come back like this. So that is the first step. So first step, it's not working. So now we need to go for next step. So what is that is, you need to go and reset this camera. That is the second step. Let's see that will solve the problem or not. Factory reset this camera. Just you need to format your memory card. After that, reset this camera, and let's go back. Now let's record this. Yeah, I think same problem. Let's try one more time. Yeah, again same problem. So second step also not working. Let's go for the third step. So okay, so what is the third step is, you need to try a different memory card. Okay, so sometimes this problem will come with a bad memory card. Okay, so why I'm showing 3 steps means, see, any one of the step will solve your problem, so that you don't need to buy extra memory card for that. Okay, let me show you that. So now I got the new memory card. So okay, 16 GB one. So this I am going to place it in this. So this is the old memory card. You can see this is also 16 GB. White color one is the old one. So this red color is the new one. Let's see, will it solve the problem or not? Okay, now let's okay, so let's record. Is recording. Let's see whether it is recording more than 1 minute. That means it is working fine. Okay, okay, so battery charge is over. Okay, one second, I'll just show you. So I'm recording again one more time. You can see here this camera charging is over, so that's why I'm recording with charge. If it is tracking more than, if it is recording more than 1 minute, let's see. If the same problem is there, it won't track more than a minute. Yeah, more than a minute still it is recording. Yeah, that's it. I think this is the solution for this problem. So yeah, so I'll keep this one and we'll have a discussion about how I came to know how to fix this one. Is like so this is the solution. So you need to use a new memory card. The problem is with memory card. So I think memory card got corrupted. So yeah, how I came to know this problem is, see, earlier I used on this camera. Okay, so earlier I am using this camera, same memory card. So now I place the same memory card here. You can see here like this. So what happened is, so this is stop recording frequently, like randomly it will stop. Then I purchased the new one. So when I'm using the same memory card here, so this is also have the same problem. Then I came to know, okay, even it is a new one, still we have the problem. Means in both common is the memory card. Then what I did, I ordered the new memory card and I tried, it start recording properly. So most of the time the problem will be not with camera, so you don't buy a new camera just for this small problem. So yeah, it is more than 2 minutes still it is recording. That means this is the solution. So most of the time the problem with the memory card. So what you can do is, first you try to format the memory card. Sometimes because of the usage this problem will be created. So format it first. After that still you have the same problem. Means what you do, you reset your camera, factory reset your camera. Then in the finally you try to use a different memory card. Okay, new memory card you try with that. So maybe you can say directly, why can't you say directly change the memory card? Means, see, you need to buy a new memory card. But before that, if you try these two methods, it's really helpful. Now you don't need to buy anything. So any one of the step is helping you, that's great, right? So you don't need to buy any new memory card. So that is my intention. That's why I'm showing 3 steps. Any one of the steps will solve your problem. So hope you like the video. This is very simple. Very simple problem. Most of the time the problem with the memory card. So but you try 3 methods, any one of the method is working for you, that's great, right? So hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and please like this video. Thank you very much.